こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか？ Hello, how are you? Today grammar video number 48, JLPT N4, and this is the second part of the verb 移行形. This is volitional verb. As I explained you in previous video, 移行形 volitional form. This is the suggestion. It's like ましょう but in casual way. Let's play or let's play together. 一緒に遊ぼう一緒に遊ぼう Children always say like this. And when my grandchildren come to my house, they always say, 一緒に遊ぼう Let's go home. Let's go home. A child is saying this to his parents. お家へ帰ろうお家へ帰ろうお家へ帰ろうよ You can watch my grammar video number 96 of JLPT N5, and there I talk about よね、よ、ね, this kind of ending particle. Today in this video, we're gonna see this kind of ending of the sentence. かなかなkashira. Actually, we learned this in JLPT N3, but today only with 移行形 volitional form because this form we can use in many occasions. But today, the case with 移行形 volitional forms. We use this form かな always with 普通形. This is plain form. But you know, 移行形 this is the plain form of ましょう. So this is why we can use with 移行形 and this. These three have got the same meaning. Only the difference, kashira, this one sounds very female. So only women use kashira. But kana, you can use everybody here. The meaning is talking to myself to think out loud. In this case, we use with this. There's a noun in Japanese, 自問自答. This means 自 myself, 問 to ask myself, and 答えます to answer. So ask myself the question and I answer myself this question. This is 自問自答. What should I make for dinner? 晩ご飯は何にしようかな晩ご飯は何にしようかな晩ご飯は何にしようかな晩ご飯は何にしようかしら Oh yeah, I wanna make rice with curry sauce. そうだカレーにしようカレーライスにしよう Oh yeah, I know. Oh, right. We use this expression. そうだ Favorite food for many Japanese children is カレーライス or we can also say only カレー This means curry with rice or curried rice or rice with curry sauce. You can watch my grammar video number 97 of JLPT N5, and there you can learn something にします and this means I choose this. Oh, which cake should I eat? どのケーキを食べようかなどのケーキを食べようかなどのケーキを食べようかなどのケーキを食べようかしら I'm on a diet. After all, I'm gonna pass it this time. It means I'm not gonna eat this time. ダイエットしていますからやはりやめておきます。ダイエットしていますからやはりやめておきます。ダイエットしてるからやっぱりやめとこう。After all, on the second thought, I've changed my mind. In this kind of things, This is the other verb, and we say やはり、やっぱり。The difference, やはり is more formal, やはり. And やっぱり, it sounds more casual. And the most casual way without this, やっぱ, but this sounds too casual. And this also has the meaning of as I imagined, as I thought. Yeah, I knew it. やっぱりね. The verb to resign, to quit, or to stop, or to suspend. やめます. So in this case, this verb やめます and te form やめて. And we add 起きます. やめて起きます. This 起きます, you can watch my grammar video number 42 and 43 of JLPT N4. The most formal one, やめて起きます. And you know, the dictionary form of 起きます, やめておく, やめておく. And やめておく, but more casual way, やめとく, やめとく. But now in this case, I use 移行形 volitional verb. やめておこう、やめておこう、やめておこう. But this one, in more casual way, やめとこう、やめとこう. And the meaning is, I'd rather not. Or let me pass this time. Or I've changed my mind. I'm not gonna do this. やめとこう. I guess I should start studying soon. そろそろ勉強しようかな。そろそろ勉強しようかな。そろそろ勉強しようかな。そろそろ勉強しようかしら。It's about time to, this is adverb, そろそろ. I guess it's about time for me to go to bed now. そろそろ寝ようかな。そろそろ寝ようかな。そろそろ寝ようかな。そろそろ寝ようかしら。I guess it's about time to tidy up my room. I guess I should. そろそろ部屋を片付けようかな。そろそろ部屋を片付けようかな。そろそろ部屋を片付けようかな。そろそろ部屋を片付けようかしら。Let me see. I can't make up my mind. What should I do? What am I gonna do? And these expressions is this. どうしようかな。どうしようかな。どうしようかしら。how should I explain it to my father? お父さんにどう説明しよう。お父さんにどう説明しようかな。お父さんにどう説明しようかな。お父さんにどう説明しようかしら。What kind of toys am I gonna buy to my grandchildren? 孫にどんなおもちゃ、孫にどんなおもちゃを買おう。孫にどんなおもちゃを買おうかな。孫にどんなおもちゃを買おうかな。孫にどんなおもちゃを買おうかしら。Oh yeah, I know it. I'm gonna buy this. そうだ。これ買おう。そうだ。これ買おう。As you've seen these examples, when we use 移行形 volitional form and the last one, かな、かな、かしら. This is, you are talking to yourself, and this is like a monologue. So you are just, what should I do? But you are not talking to anyone else, to yourself. Maybe this video was a little bit difficult, but don't worry, because this one we're gonna learn in JLPT N3 in the future. But anyway, I wanted to tell this because 移行形 we are studying now, volitional form. And with volitional form and this form, we use a lot. Now a quiz time with 3 translations into Japanese. And let's try using this word かな。1番目。Where am I going on summer holidays? 2番目。I guess it's about time to make dinner. 3番目。最後です。Oh, chocolate ice cream. Vanilla ice cream. What should I take? What should I choose? I can't make up my mind. If you think you could learn something new in this video, and if you think this was useful for you, please don't forget to give me a like. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it so that you can learn Japanese with me. And if you could help me sharing my videos with your friends, that will be a great help for me. いかがでしたか？今日は移行形の2番目のビデオでした。そして今日は移行形の後に最後の部分を付け加えるのを勉強しました。例えば、行きますという動詞で考えてみましょう。行こうかな。行こうかな。行こうかしら。これは自分の頭の中で考えていたり、独り言のように、どうしようかなって、そういうふうに言うときに使います。この3つは全部同じ意味ですが、最後のかしら、これは女性が使う言葉です。でも、かなとかなは男性も女性も誰でも使えます。もっと詳しく3級になったら、この言い回しを勉強します。でも今回は今のところ移行形を勉強しているので、移行形の後にこれをつける方法を今日は見てみました。このビデオが良かったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録忘れないでお願いいたします。そして私のビデオをお友達に紹介してくださったら本当に助かります。ぜひお願いいたします。ではまた次のビデオでお会いできるのをとても楽しみにしています。絶対に来てください。じゃあね。またね。バイバイ。